One byte in a Modbus message can tell you what a device was asked to do, or why that request failed. First, the function code describes the operation. Analysts commonly see requests to read coils, discrete inputs, input registers, or holding registers. Other functions may write values. A function is not automatically safe or suspicious. Its meaning depends on the device's requested area, process state, and approved engineering work. Second, connect each response to its request. In Modbus TCP, transaction context helps follow the exchange, while function information shows whether the server completed the operation. A normal response reflects the requested function. An exception means the server could not process it as expected. Third, treat exception categories as diagnostic clues. They can indicate an unsupported function, invalid address, unacceptable value, or a device temporarily unable to complete the request. An exception identifies a condition. It does not prove malicious activity. Here is a safe example inside an isolated, authorized lab. A simulated HMI reads a documented pressure register from a simulated controller and receives a normal response. A deliberately misconfigured lab request then references a location outside the simulator's approved map. The server returns an exception. A passive monitoring sensor records the lab client, server, function, requested range, timestamp, and whether the error repeats. Nothing is transmitted to production equipment. For defensive triage, ask 6 questions. Is the client authorized? Is the server correct? Is the function expected? Is the address range documented? Does the timing match maintenance? Is the pattern isolated or repeated? Compare answers with the asset inventory, communication baseline, register map, and change record. The Docuway function codes explain intent, while exception responses explain failure. Use both with process context before escalating an alert. Never test writes or malformed requests on live equipment without formal authorization and operational safeguards. Follow 4 Day 9, where we begin SafeWire, a shark capture design for a NOT lab.